Hello students. First of all, today I will clear you the tell you about the classification or type of salt. There are 5-6 types of salt: acidic salt, normal salt, basic salt, double salt, and mixed salt and complex salt. This is the classification of salt: acidic salt, normal salt, basic salt, double salt, mixed salt, and complex salt. First of all, you must know that what is salt. Yesterday I told you about the salt. You can say complete or partial replacement of hydrogen from any acid. Like this is an acid or this one is acid. When complete replacement of hydrogen takes place or incomplete replacement of hydrogen takes place from the acid by the any metal ion or ammonium ion, salts are formed. Repeating again, the hydrogen ion which are present in the acids are replaced by, completely replaced by or partially replaced by any metal ion or ammonium ion, then salts are obtained. There are two hydrogen atoms. When both hydrogen atoms are replaced, then normal salt is obtained. When one hydrogen atom is replaced, then acidic salt will be obtained. So first of all, you must know that what is salt. Whenever asked a question, define salt. You have to write only this one: complete or partial replacement of the hydrogen ion by the metal ion or ammonium ion give the salt. You have to write only this one. After then, type of salt: acidic salt, normal salt, basic salt, double salt, and mixed salt, and complex salt. Now we will discuss each type of salt one by one. First is acidic salt. As its name suggests, hydrogen will remain intact within the salt. This is formed by the partial, you can say incomplete replacement of the hydrogen from an acid by the metal ion or ammonium ion. Acidic salt, how is this salt are formed? They are formed due to partial or incomplete replacement of hydrogen atom from acid. Acidic salt are formed due to the partial replacement of hydrogen atom from the acid. You must write this word: partial replacement of hydrogen atom from acid gives the acidic salt. For example, NaHSO4. Now you can say NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrosulfate. They have hydrogen atom. That is why they are categorized into the acidic salt. How it is formed? There is a base, sodium hydroxide. This is sulfuric acid. Now one hydrogen atom of the sulfuric acid is replaced NaHSO4 plus H2O. NaHSO4, one hydrogen, and this OH gives the water molecule. This is sodium hydrogen sulfate. This is sodium hydrogen sulfate. And these are, you can say, acidic salt amount of sodium hydroxide is less. Yes, these salts are formed by the formed due to the partial replacement of hydrogen atom from the acids, and you can say insufficient amount of base is used, NaOH is used, and in the formation of acidic salt, incomplete neutralization takes place. There is a incomplete neutralization reaction. There is incomplete neutralization reaction. During the formation of acidic salt, you must learn 3 points, that these are formed due to the partial replacement of hydrogen atom from the acid, and less amount of base is used, and there is an incomplete neutralization. In the formation of acidic salt, incomplete neutralization takes place. Now we come to the next class of salt, that is a normal salt. Normal salt. Normal salts are formed due to the complete neutralization. Complete neutralization takes place. Complete neutralization takes place. And amount of NaOH or any other base is sufficient. And this type of salt does not contain hydrogen atom. Salt does not contain hydrogen atom. Since it does not contain hydrogen atom, that is why solution of this salt will not show the acidic properties. Solution of these salt solutions of these salts do not show the properties of acid. It is a very important point also. You can for example, there is an NaOH and H2SO4. Again I am taking same base. But what will happen? It forms sodium sulfate and water molecule in this phase. Both sodium ion in this phase. Both hydrogen atom are replaced by the sodium. It is a normal salt. There is no hydrogen atom. There is no hydrogen atom. Other example, this is normal salt. Other example are you can do like potassium nitrate, NaCl, potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate. These are the normal salt because they have no hydrogen atom in the formula. You can see there is no hydrogen atom. That is why they are normal salt. Now we come to the double salt. It is a very important category of salt. I has asked in the test also, but many students have written wrong answer. Double salt. What are double salts? You can say you have to take two simple salt, you have two normal salt, and make their saturated solution. Suppose A is a normal salt, B is a normal salt. The salt A is a normal, B is normal salt. Both are normal salt. First of all, you have to make saturated solution. Saturated solution. saturated solution of A and saturated solution of B. Now both are mixed. Saturated solution of this one, saturated solution of normal salt A, saturated solution of normal salt B. They are mixed together, and after then crystallization is carried out. After crystallization, the salt which is obtained will be double salt. That is why you have to write the statement that double salt is obtained by mixing saturated solution of two normal salts followed by crystallization. Double salt is obtained by mixing the saturated solution of two normal salts followed by crystallization. We get double salt. You have to take two normal salts and make their saturated solution separately. After then both saturated solutions are mixed together, and then you will crystallize the solution. Then you get double salt. Example is alum. K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice. This is normal salt, this is normal salt. And after them you get alum. K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole thrice dot 24S2. This is formula of alum. This is normal salt, this is normal salt. You have to form the saturated solution of potassium sulfate and potassium and saturated solution of aluminum sulfate. Both saturated solutions are mixed together and crystallization. After crystallization, you will get the alum, that is a double salt.